In this video, we are going to learn how to extract the specific character and get the overall cell data. So how can we do this? So suppose this is my one claim number and I want to extract this day and 6 digit, and then I want to exclude that. Suppose I want to exclude this day 1 2 3 4 5 6, and I need 1 1 2 3 4 1. So I need like this. So how can I do this? I want to exclude first 7 digit. So how can I exclude that? So for that, I will use a year one formula len, and then I will count this len, and I will minus 6. I will do here, and above this len I will write here right, and choose this. Actually, this is D2, and then okay. Now I have got, so for now it is getting 1 1, but I need only one, so I have to exclude 7 or D 1 2 7 digit minus 7. Yes, now I drag, then it will come the result of which I want. So in this way, using this lane and right, I have excluded this first 7 digit and got over the data. So you can use this formula and it will really help you. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates. Thank you.